Let's make fourth part of injector assembly. Large nozzle, bronze material, bronze alloy. Okay, this is part number 4. Now this is the section view. So we are going to create, see, outer diameter 24 H8. H denotes height, 8 millimeter. 3 this is a shaft fit. These are actually tolerance H8, J7, 36. Then you will see this dotted line. This corner point is coincide with this upper line. Total length 48. This outer diameter 12. Angle 60. See this flange 5, 38, 8 millimeter. Let's see. Then we will cut this 10 millimeter, chamfer 1 millimeter. Front plane sketch. Activate line tool. Okay, do little taper. Right click, exit. Now make this line construction line. Smart dimension, total length 48 millimeter. Now radius, diameter, if you keep outside it will show you radius 24. Okay, and go to here, tolerance and fit, apply fit. Okay, come down. This is a shaft tolerance H8. Come down here and apply this H8. Okay, then let me select this outer one. This is 36. Here tolerance fit, shaft fit, how much? This is J7. Okay, not JS, it's only J. Now here display, you can see linear display, so you will get the better idea. Now make this height 5 millimeter. This height 8 millimeter. Now height from here to here 38 millimeter. Angle 60 divided by 2, and this bottom diameter 12 millimeter. Okay, but there is one problem. Let's drag these point coincide with this line coincide, and see, it seems fully defined. Go to feature, apply revolve boss base. Now see, this profile is open, that's why you will get this option. Say yes. Look, by default system took this construction line as axis of revolution. By default angle also 360. We need complete circular body, so you must go 360. Say yes. Now okay, let me apply some color to this. Then we will not color, let's say material. This is bronze, steel, bronze alloy. Okay, satin finish, but I prefer some color, so okay. Now let me choose front plane sketch. I want to make hollow part. Smart dimension. Okay, before going, let me select this construction line. $10 millimeter, and let's make this line and outer wall. Select both, parallel relation. Look, it seems fully defined. I want to remove material, so you must apply revolve cut feature. Profile is open. System asks, would you like to close? Say yes. Look, by default center line as the axis of revolution. Angle also by default 360. Say OK. Look. Let me apply chamfer. Here choose angle distance, not distance. Okay, come down, choose symmetric. So you have to apply only once. Internal and this external. Say OK. It's done. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.